Hello friends, how are you? It's me, your friend Shivansh. So today I am showing you how to make an origami dog face. You will need one sheet of square paper and marker or a pen. First, put it like this. Fold it like this. Make a sharp crease. Now turn upside down like this. Then don't put it like the corner to corner, but don't fold. Just press on the starting line. This is a line that is created. Now fold diagonally from the center line toward the ears. Now this corner, fold this corner, fold upside down, then fold like this. Our dog is ready. Open pen. These are the eyes. And this is the nose. A smiling puppy. I am naming this the cute one. You can tell me in the comment section below that your dog, what do you want to name your dog? Tell me in the comment section below. Like, subscribe, and if you're new to the channel, so like and subscribe. Bye friends.